Our program majorly targets for basics as well as projects. We are bringing in new programs and new improvements in the team. We started in the year of 2020 exactly, because that's when I started giving out information to the members who wants to make their career transformations, and it's been a pretty long journey. Continuously working day in and day out, and every day for 1 hour, which is like around 300 days per. Even if there are 300 days per a year, and every 300 days, around 1,000+ days or 1,000+ hours is what we had experience for in training new members on their career transformations as well as their journey. We will be using GitHub, which is our main base for our repo management. Now, if you're going into any training platform or any training program, all they will tell you is what is UiPath and how to work with UiPath with some regular 10 to 15 activities and some 2 to 3 use cases, which will not at all be sufficient when you are going for an interview. You need a structured learning plan, as well as you need to have a proper understanding on what activities you are doing. You need to know what are the review. You need to get a review. You need to know what is the score. We also have the score. Like, we'll score based on your performance and we'll give some added benefits. Let's go ahead and quickly check on those details as well. And if you want to check on regular YouTube videos, we have YouTube platform as well at Vajrang.org. You can go ahead and search. And previously it was Automate with UiPath. We are increasing our exposure along with UiPath. So we're rebranding all the platforms. Now everything is with Vajrang.org is something that you must go ahead and look for. And I'm a UiPath MVP for the year 2023, and my core activities are on development, orchestrator, robots, and studio. And connect with me. You already have, since you have joined the program, I hope that you already have all the information available on how to connect with me. You also have my personal WhatsApp number, so I'm available. So these are the success stories of Vajrang.org. We had around 8,400+ subscribers now, and we are around 600+ members who are actively working with Vajrang.org. This is the organization where you have joined in, and we were able to start UiPath Basics. Like, I started thinking that, okay, if I just give projects program, then it will be sufficient. Like, people can learn basics on their own. That's actually wrong. Not everyone can learn basics on their own. And even if you go into UiPath Academy, and if you start learning on the basics, the moment you were not able to get an answer for a question, that's when you lose the focus. And though you know how to get an answer from online, it will not be to your requirement. So that's the reason we have introduced something called UiPath Basics program. This is absolutely for the members who are from, like, I didn't know anything with UiPath. I don't know even to log into UiPath. That's for you, UiPath Basics program. And UiPath Projects program is for someone like I have already knowledge. I already have a knowledge on C# or development. I am already some coder. Somewhere I'm a developer. Now, where should I learn? UiPath Projects is what you need to concentrate on. And important thing, this is kind of an interesting activity that we have done, and we have a live example over here, and I would like to take this example. Now, someone thought that they are not too good with UiPath, and they started and paid for UiPath Basics. And our team decided that he already know a lot of UiPath stuff, and he don't need UiPath Basics. What we did, within next day, he joined 1 day on Basics. We reviewed each and every person on their capability and their understanding. We understood that this person is good enough to join in the projects because we know what we are covering in the projects. Our team is well aware of what we are covering in the projects. It will be just waste of his time and our time and his money and his efforts. What a regular training program would do, let him go ahead and train, go ahead and complete, because he joined in the basics program. Let him go ahead and take the training. He may lose interest, he may come back, he may not come back, irrespective of it. He paid for it. Let's go ahead and train him. But what we did special, we asked him, boss, you are not ready, or you already have experience with UiPath Basics. Now, why do you need to go ahead and join that? Go ahead and join in the project training program. Within second day, we made a transition, and guess what? He is working on projects now. He is no more into basics. So you also sometimes don't know where you need to join. Sometimes you don't know what you need to join. And guess what? He did not pay anything extra, only for the projects. Whatever he paid for the basics, carry forwarded, and only the limited amount that he paid, that he need to pay for the projects program, is what we have. Okay, so that is the level of understanding that we have for our projects training program as well as the basics program or our organization. Now, here are the new interns from our organization. Now, this is the important part. Let's say that there is a trainer gives you some task to do and you are able to do it or not do it, but you need some review, you need some help. We have a team for it now. We built our own team so that if you are having any query, you will be able to do a booking of your query discussion and they will be able to solve directly to you. It's not a random group discussion. It's only for you. And that you can do it for free for all the members who are a part of this program, bringing it right away. Now, we also help people on getting jobs on different organizations. Now, I'm a training, though I'm keeping this organization for a training program, I cannot give all the jobs on myself. But if there is a requirement somewhere and I know proper people who are able to do it, I can guide them. And this is what happened. There is an organization which requires around 5 UiPath developers and they are okay. Also, if they don't have experience and they are able to crack interviews with clients. So if they're able to crack interview with clients, it means that they are good enough. And all the 4 members got trained into projects. Within next 1 month, they were able to get placed into an organization and expect the salary hikes that they're going to get. They started with 3 to 4 lakhs. Now they are earning more than 80 to 90% of what they were earning previously. Why 80 to 90%? We have also got some success stories with 150 to 200% hikes. So all we need is your commitment and your dedication to work till the end. This is our mentor, Surabhi, excellent mentor you can get, very patient. He reskilled or she retrained more than 100 plus people. Maybe this number must be changed to 150 in next 2 months. So she's directly working with UiPath client as well as in UiPath. So she's very good in helping on the basics part. If you come to me for basics, I'll be like making it very, very fast. Some people don't need to take it very fast. Some people need to start slow. This is for basics program. You will have absolutely great information from the mentor as well as there is a complete structured plan and lots of activities to be performed. We have members who have already trained on basics and who are in projects now. We'll take reviews from them in some time. Now, these are the baby steps. These are weak ones, but these are baby steps. Baby step 1, you're going to check on what is RPA and how to learn RPA, understand the variables and data scraping. Baby step 2, understand the recordings, UI automations, selectors. Baby step 3, understand what are Excel and how to integrate with Excel, PDF. Now, can you see that there is no information provided on programming knowledge or programming C#? No. Whatever information that you require, you will be given that in the basics program, even if you are starting from the beginner level. Now, who should attend this training program? Basics members who are very new to UiPath, not having any technical knowledge, looking for RPA certifications, UI RPA certifications, and members with no coding knowledge or technical exposure. You need to concentrate on this. What we have observed on this training platform or on this journey with us, more than 61 plus members who attempted, like yesterday, we had one member, this count must be increased. One member who took the training program for us, absolutely having no idea on what an UI RPA exam would look like, were able to get a guidance. And I said, okay, you go ahead and attempt the exam because I know that you are capable of doing it. She went and attended the exam and guess what? She got UiPath RPA certified. Now she's applying jobs with the certification directly from UiPath. And we have also given some 50% vouchers on UI RPA and URD. And this is not mandatory again for everyone. And this is upon our availability and our certification availability. Now, what is the percentage of hikes normally we'll try to anticipate? 10%, 20% and 30%. Boss, think more. You can get 90%, you can get 100%, you can get 150%. We made it possible and you can see the success stories in our Instagram portal. Now, if you're having 0 to 1 year of experience, just go ahead and check it for 0 to 3 lakhs. If you're having more than 1 to 3 years of experience, 3 to 6 lakhs. And if you are having 4+ years, just multiply the years with 2. You can start with 8 lakhs, but you're not limited to 8 lakhs. You can even go for 16 to 20 lakhs. Depends completely upon your ability to get information on it and how well you are presenting yourself to an organization or to an interview. Now, what are the different roles you can get by learning UiPath? You can be UiPath intern, lead, developer, business analyst, architects, program manager, and COE lead. We are concentrating on developers and we are focused on the developers part for now. Who should attend the project training program? If you are already having abundant knowledge of UiPath basics, but you are failing in the interviews, I'm going into UiPath interviews, but I'm not able to crack them. This is for you. And I'm failing in the technical round or I'm failing in the system test. This is absolutely for you. Components should be covered. All of you might think that, okay, I will start and create some project and I will do some random project online and I will be able to get job. No, that's not what an interviewer wants, or that's not what's expected in an interview. What an interviewer wants is something different. Interviewer wants, do you have knowledge on PDDs? Do you have knowledge on SDDs? Do you have knowledge on project tracker? Do you have knowledge on GitHub? You're going to get all that information from project training program. Week 1. So again, when you are going into projects, we'll not be starting like absolutely from nothing. We'll start slow. We'll try to complete all the details that we need. And we'll start with project basics. And the next week is what we are going to complete. So week 2, we are going to check with end-to-end implementation of actual project. So when I'm saying project, it's not the use case. It's how you think. It's how you implement. It's how you connect with your team members. That's the actual project. That's what you can get from week 2. And week 3 is working with JSON and API structures and link queries, which is utmost important for interviews. And week 4, you will need to develop one use case, create everything for yourself. So we are hand-holding you for all the 4 weeks and we are giving you all the information. Now, these are the common activities that you must do on each and every project. Now, if you learn this once, this is the same across all the projects. You need to try to understand how to create it. If you know how to create projects and if you know what is the structure, what is the methodology, you will be able to work on any project. Now, a quick general question, are the sessions will be recorded? Yes, and it will be recorded and it will be provided to you when like instantly when they are uploaded and when they are reviewed after the meeting, and you can get them right away. Now, there is a plan for UiPath interviews. We'll take it later. And let's assume that, okay, I'm not going to pay amount to anyone, but I want to self-learn. I have some knowledge. You got it covered. All you can do is go to academy.uipath.com and select a item and check for it and try to self-learn. But the major problem that we have by self-learning is you will not have a goal on what you need to complete. If you have it, well and good. If you're not having it, then this program will definitely help you. You will have what should be completed at what time and next what will be coming up. So you will have the structured plan that will definitely help you out. If you want to take any paid certifications, yes, you can go ahead and take it. It's 15,000, 16,000 plus and 25,000 plus. It's directly from UiPath. There is nothing that you need to pay for us. This is just information that I'm providing you, stating that this is the information, certifications, and this is the price. What are the free add-ons that you're going to get? You're going to get resume preparation, mock interviews, and job reference support, which we have already done and which we are going to do in future as well. This is the GitHub scorecard, which none of you will see before joining this program, but every day you will see this after joining this program. You will see how many commits you are doing, how many pull requests you are doing, and this is what you will be measured on. And this is the last team's achievements. We are going to update this for the new team, which is the September team, in next few days. Now, the projects trainings and basics are different timings, and you cannot join both basics and projects in a single month. Basics will be from morning 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. and projects will be from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'll be dealing with the projects training program and Surabhi will be dealing with the basics training program. Now the course, there is a fees because we need to provide licenses for you, for Teams, for SharePoint, as well as for the structure and for to have that environment for you. The basics cost you 12,999, and the projects cost you 17,999. This is the best price that you can get. Now we will have separate teams, basics as well as projects. In the basics, you will have your own channel, and this is the Basics team September 2023. Let's go ahead and check with September 2023. Yep. And here you can see the files. This is available for you from day one. And this is the project meeting notes. This is the live meeting notes that you will get. And this is what will help you to prepare yourself for the interviews. You cannot go ahead and check on each and every code every time, but there should be some structured notes for you. This is available for you. And let's go ahead and see what is the scorecard. Now this is the team tracker and this is the tracker list. Each and every person will be reviewed on every code that they have built. If there are any details that they're missing, our team is reviewing them, each and every detail. Default activities names are available. And if you are good with everything, you will get 5. And if you are losing something, then your score will be reduced. If you see here, use only Excel activity, need to work with workbook activity also. So check on it. So you will be given utmost all the details, and you will also be given. So this is again for the basics program. Now check with the projects training program, and the projects training program will be available here. Files, and here is what you have. And this is the knowledge that you can get directly from day one of project training program as well. This will be a live document that will be prepared from every day, and you will get to see what you are learning. And yesterday, I think we have completed something on RE framework. We worked on database as well as APIs. So every concept that you need for an interview will be covered and it will be done. Now here in the projects, you will get all the activities or all the details on view only. So you can go ahead and check, and there will be coding test interviews, as well as you will have information on the interview questions, like what are the previous interview questions that you have and how for every organization there can be different. Those are already stored over here.